Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for the roast chicken and veg, I preheated my oven, or just turned my oven on to its highest setting, and then lined the tray with baking paper, sprinkled over some, I'm using green beans, but any frozen veg will be fine, and from frozen. Then just sliced some chicken and put it over, and then a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and then popped that in the oven for 12 minutes. And then while that was cooking, I made my dressing, which is it's a Caesar dressing. So it's 50 grams of mayo, which is about 4 tablespoons, 50 grams again of what's it called? Grated Parmesan, which is about half a cup, and then 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Just mix that together. And now it's ready to serve. So I'm just going to divide it into plates, drizzle over the dressing, serve it with some toasted almonds, but you could use extra Parmesan, whatever you've got. For you. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.